Hey YouTube, this is KingCobraJFS with another video. Today I had a blizzard. It's a combination I like doing. It's banana cream pie with Reese's, Snickers, and cookie dough chunks. It's quite delicious actually. But very unhealthy and very expensive, so I don't get to do them too often, but every once in a while. It packs nicely. So I pack my cigarettes. Anyway, this is KingCobraJFS video, and yeah, why not? Get this new pack started. I suppose I have fluid. Okay, I should prime it now. See, that's the thing, I just filled it. It still took 6 strikes to get it lit. The Zippo was unpredictable. But, oh well. I guess it's filled up now. Just hopefully it stays filled up. I don't know, sometimes it doesn't. I just fills up. You witnessed it on YouTube. My hand even caught fire from doing it. Oh, there it goes. Okay. It's alright, cigarette. Think, what's King Cobra smoking this week? You know, what cigarette brands? Because I'm not a one brand person. I got a variety of brands I like. Winston's are pretty good cigarettes. They're expensive as fuck though. And the regulars are actually kind of harsh on my toes. So if Winston made a menthol, I might switch to that and see what they're all about. But I don't know. I haven't seen them, so I don't think they make them. Well, the thing about menthols is they save my throat when I'm singing and shit. So, yeah, the trick I learned. Anyway, this is KingCobraJFS with another video, and thanks for watching. See you all later.